In this video, I will show how to fix mouse cursor or pointer disappeared in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So firstly, press Windows key plus X. Now here, move your pointer using the key, and once it's reached to device manager, press enter on your keyboard. Now press the tab, use the down arrow key. Now here, use right side arrow key, and again down arrow key and right side arrow key. Now press shift F10. Now use the tab. Now use down arrow key and press the enter and uninstall. Once uninstalling process complete, now close the device manager. So Alt F4. Now press Windows key plus D or Alt F4. Now here, move tab, and once highlight OK, press enter. So it will shut down. Now reopen. Hopefully after reopen, mouse cursor pointing error will be solved. So thanks for watching, and comment this method work for you or not.